everyone, viewers right there. My name is PROSPER IFIDON. Though I'm not a Yoruba, my dad once had his teen surgery in Ibadan. So he believes that I'll be the one to bring light into the family. That's the meaning of Kolawole, what will bring sweat into the family. Since then, I'll be scouring for it. I wouldn't want to stay like jump on every opportunity that I see. According to the rate to say, he said a constant opportunity, you have to grab it. You just have to use it. People's opportunity come at once, but I just believe that these opportunities, they don't just appear as opportunity. But it only appears as opportunity to the opportunist. When he or she sees it as an opportunity and utilize it very well. That was what I did. When I saw it, I grabbed it.
Alright, so briefly before you go back to your seat, tell us what your expectation. Now you're the winner of the Elegant Empire MOVIESTAR QUEST. What's your expectation from us, and where do you see yourself in 5 years from now?
You know, man proposes, God disposes. But with the plans that I have, by the grace of God, God willing, I should be better than where I am now. With the help of Elegant Empire, I believe I'll be in the globe. People will watch me. Why do I say so? I'm working with Elegant Empire, and I believe so much in them that they have this big dreams. Because the way people package things, it's not as though you're just packaging it. It's what you people have. That's what you're dishing out. Yeah. And if you can concrete this into me, I believe I'll go far.
Definitely.
So that's it.
Alright. Beautiful one. Alright, so what's your last word now to viewers all over the world? What's your word of encouragement to them? What can you say to everybody out there?
Viewers all over the world, I just want to let you know one thing, that it is always good to seize opportunity that comes your way. Seize it, try it. Even if you are scammed, at least you will gain from it. You will learn from it, experience. If you don't actually experience something, you can't tell the story. If I had not vowed for this, I wouldn't have been here today. For me to have come here, it's as a result of belief. I believe in what I wanted, and I went for it by the grace of God. Look at me. So if you are still there doubt, you have to keep that doubt. Always embrace opportunity. Learn how to try, because if you don't try, you can never win. And even if you did not win, don't stop trying. Just keep trying. You will one day emerge winner in whatever that you do.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. That was the word. That was the words from the winner of the MOVIESTAR QUEST Season 1. Ladies and gentlemen, listening to him speak for these few minutes, I am already motivated. This guy is loaded, and no wonder your father named you the brightness, the star, the one that will bring light to the family. Ladies and gentlemen, this guy is a star, and no wonder he came all for the first time and struck himself to the top. This is the approach to success. We so much appreciate you. God bless you. Thank you. Have a nice time.